Those few gates.
Nu är det first ride igen. Ska du byta ljud så kan vi... Bye bye! Okay guys, I'm gonna be honest. This is a great roller coaster and this is the second run. We're gonna be really honest with you. This is the second run of the day. We're doing this one without horizon lock. I hope the camera is on. Yes, it is. And I can tell you, Sweden has something to look forward to this Saturday, 2nd of July, if the coaster opens, that is. Because it is honestly great. It's a great addition to Tosselilla Sommarland. It's here in south of Sweden. I kind of like that it's slow, the change of tilt. Gives you a great view.
Here we go again.
Here we go. Woohoo! Oh, it is so good. I think this is fantastic. Okay, Martin, what's the manufacturer of this roller coaster?
Zierer,
It's
of
a
course.
zierer, yes, that is correct. I don't remember the model though. Zierer 308, SC308, something like that, I think. Something like that. We will correct that later. Really good coaster here at Tosselilla Sommarland. You can look forward to this, everyone.